Hi, I'm Muaz Jan, your instructor for this Pashto speaking course. With years of experience teaching languages online and over 1000 successful lessons, I am here to help you speak Pashto fluently and confidently. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently hold conversations in Pashto, understand its grammar, and use it in real life scenarios like greetings, shopping, and cultural exchanges. Plus, you will have access to exercises and solved exercises and downloadable resources to reinforce your learning. In this course, you will learn Pashto grammar and all tenses, including present, past, and continuous forms, everyday vocabulary like numbers, body parts, and phrases, real life dialogues for practical use, imperative structures to give commands effectively, and many more. This course is designed for beginners who want to connect with their Pashto heritage or travelers planning to visit Pakistan or Afghanistan or anyone looking to expand their language skills. If you are eager to communicate confidently in Pashto, this course is for you. Thank you for watching. Join the course now and start speaking Pashto with confidence.